What's going on, everybody? My name is Derek, and I install graphics on vehicles and clear bras on vehicles and whatnot. If that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. In today's video, I am installing a clear bra on a Porsche. Yeah, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned. And yeah, that's pretty much what I got for today. Stay tuned. As you can see here, I'm working on the hood. I had to lift it up to get a little debris out real quick. But I worked my way up in the middle and then side to side. Seems to work really good for me. Yeah, not much more to it than that. As you can see right here, I have 1/2 inch hanging over all the way around. I had it made like that, so it makes it easier to just wrap around the edges. Next is the fender. I am working my way from the rear part of the fender to the front, lining up the edges, making sure everything lines up really good on all the edges, and then finishing out the middle of the fender area and working my way up. I will later hand cut the gas cap area so that I can get a nice tuck into the gas cap cavity. As you can see here, I'm working out the final section of this fender. It has a little bit of fingers, but I spray my tack solution down and it easily tucks into the hood area, the frunk as they would call it. Oh no, I got a big water bubble. That is not a big deal actually. In this case, I ended up just lifting it because it was still pretty fresh on there, so it popped up pretty easily. And then I just kind of let it work its way down and then smooth it out with my squeegee again. Here you can see I'm making my cut so that I can tuck this area really well, and I will later lay another piece of film on the gas cap itself. Alright, I'm making progress with this car. I am done with the hood and the fender. I'm letting the hood dry up a little bit, and then I'm gonna roll the edges around. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. Stay tuned because I'm gonna do the bumper next. paint protection film is all on, everything's all dried up, all the edges are sealed, and I'll put a spray wax on it and it will help shine up the paint protection film really well, and the customer always appreciates it too. And we are done. Yeah, that was awesome. It took like 4 hours to do. The hood and fender were super quick and easy. The front bumper, I would say it fit really good, except towards the lower bottom. It felt short, like really had to stretch it. And I was stretching it and I still couldn't get it to go exactly to the line on the very bottom, but you can see it, so it's not that big a deal. Yeah, so with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video or learned something. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments below. Appreciate it, and I'm gonna go home and take care of the family.